Hi guys, how you doing and welcome back to the channel. I'm out here camping again in a beautiful forest and I'm about to have my lunch. So in this video we're going to be making a sirloin steak cooked on a stone. So don't go anywhere. And if you're new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe and join the adventure. So let's get cooking. Okay, so we're going to let this fire keep burning away, heating up that stone. We want to make sure that stone is hot enough that we get a good heat in it so we can cook our steak. I like my steak medium rare. I don't know how perfect I'll get it, but we'll see. Okay guys, so first things first, we've got a little bit of butter to put on the stone first. It's smoked garlic with caramelised onion butter. So let's put a little bit of that on the stone first. So just again, that is caramelised onion and smoked garlic butter. Now let's get that on the stone. Hear it sizzling. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to put, just off camera, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt on one side of the steak. Rub that in a bit. So the steak's seasoned and I'm going to put the steak right on top of the lid. Just like that. Actually, I'm going to flip it so the fat's not facing the camera. We'll let that cook. A little bit of seasoning on top of the steak, so a little bit of salt. Pepper, and I'm going to take the rest of this caramelised onion and garlic butter and I'm just going to put it on top like that. Sorted. So I'll come back to you in about 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes, and then we'll flip the steak. Okay, I think it's about time to flip it, so let's get it flipped. Look at that. it's almost eating time. I cannot wait to try this. It's pretty much ready, so what I'm going to do actually is I'm just going to take a little bit of end here and see how it tastes. Look at that. Oh wow. That tastes absolutely phenomenal. That tastes so good. I liked it so much better when it was medium rare, but because it's still cooking on the rock as I eat it, it's starting to get cooked more through the middle, so it's kind of like more well done now. Okay, pretty much just the last bit now. Cut the fat off. Not for me, some people like it. And the final bit. Oh guys, that steak was so tasty. I wish you could have tried it, but obviously you can't. But what you can do is you can try what I've done today and try it where you live, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So what's left for me to do today is I'm going to pack up, tidy up, leave the place as I found it, and I'm going to head down the trail and go home. I might just take an hour's nap in my hammock before I leave. So thank you for supporting the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.